We've talked about systems of equations with 3 variables, and we've used a calculator. We can do them by hand, but we haven't actually talked about one with a fraction. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use substitution to help us solve. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, I'm going to let capital letter X equal 1 over X. And I'm going to let capital letter Y equal 1 over Y. And I'm going to let capital letter Z equal 1 over Z. Now I'm going to substitute those pieces in, then it will become linear and I can use my calculator. So I'm going to replace 1 over X with just a capital letter X. Well, this is really truly 1 over Y times 2, so plus 2Y minus 3Z. And remember, they're all capital letters. The next line, that's going to be a capital letter X minus 2Y plus Z equals 1. Third line, 2X plus 2Y minus 3Z equals 4. So I'm going to talk about an augmented matrix. We're going to make this an augmented matrix before I solve. So what that means is I'm taking the coefficients and I'm rewriting them so I know what to plug in my calculator. So again, this right here is my augmented matrix. When you take your test and it asks for that, then make sure you have that written separately by taking the variables out. The next piece we're going to do is we're going to plug this into our calculator and solve. Using my calculator, I'm going to press second matrix, and I'm going to edit a 3 by 4 matrix. And I'm going to put my coefficients of my augmented matrix. 1, 2, negative 3, 3. 1, negative 2, 1, and 1. Line 3. 2, 2, negative 3, and 4. So now I'm going to quit, so second quit, and I want my calculator in my matrix form to calculate for me, so I have to go to reduced row echelon form. Then it's going to want me to say, well, which one would you like me to do for you? And I would say matrix A. And here's my solution right here. Well, another feature our calculator will do is turn those by pressing math into a fraction. So what this is saying is capital letter X is 1, capital letter Y is 1/4, capital letter Z is negative 1/2. So like we said on our calculator, capital letter X equaled 1, capital letter Y equaled 1/4, and capital letter Z equaled negative 1/2. So all I'm going to do is substitute those values. And now I just have to solve. Well, when I cross multiply here, X equals 1. When I cross multiply here, Y equals 4. And when I cross multiply here, negative Z equals 2. Therefore, Z equals negative 2. So writing my final answer as an ordered triplet. 1, 4, negative 2. The biggest piece of this is that when you use your calculator and solve for your capital letters, that's not the solution. That's just what the substitution piece is. You still have to solve on your own.